Ka jingkiew jong ka dor ka petrol ba diesel kam datang ha Meghalaya hynrei ha kylleng kari India ru lai thu usimbut menteri rang ba ubatan song lai thu ba ka khai pateng kala ban khlem tang na ka daw jong ka jingkiew jong ka dor petrol ba diesel ulaong bakiri jong ka perthei kin se yashong perkhat lang kum no ban weng ya ka ni ka jingkiew jong ka jingkiew dor petrol ba diesel.
This market is universal market. We need to understand that we don't have our own oil field. We do have, but small quantity. So ultimately, we need international market. When we need international market, means we have to import. And when we import, not only India alone or not only Meghalaya alone who has to do that. Almost every country they need to do. And I think you know well, we knew well, per barrel of petrol of diesel is how much. This is not the price that hike happened only in India. As I said to you, this is throughout the world. It happened. And not only that, now government of India has already warned international market may collapse. So now I think we need to understand one thing, that every country, leaders of different countries now, they are working out how to come out of this situation that we have, because ultimately it may lead, as I said to you, to the economic crisis. So therefore, if you talk about the diesel and then about the petrol, yes, we knew. I think last time we have already reduced our taxes up to almost 6 rupees per liter, and this one it still continue. 6 rupees per liter means this is not a joke as far as Meghalaya state is concerned. We have tried our best, we have done our best, but again, as I said to you, because this hike happens universally, so it is out of our control. But we are trying our best to make sure, and hopefully maybe next month we will again have a cabinet meeting. We'll have to sit down, we have to discuss, and then we have, in fact, our chief minister has already spoken even to Union finance minister about the crisis. Even the finance ministry now, they are working out how to come out with this problem that we have as a nation. So therefore, I would request people of the state not to get confused, because now, just because by-election is underway, so Congress, they take advantage by blaming MDA government as if we are the one who increased the cost of the petrol and the diesel. We have just done it. Okay, we have done it about 6 rupees, and you find out other states how much they give in the rebate. You please find out. In fact, we are the only state, especially in Northeast, who has already cut the taxes up to 6 rupees. We have done that for whose interest? This is for the interest of the state, for the interest of everybody. So we have done that. So that's why I'm telling you, I cannot commit anything right now, but government has taken note of it, and very soon after the by-election and all, we will again sit down and then we will discuss about this issue.